Good day. So, welcome, no? I will just be showing you a quick walkthrough on how to navigate to our Canvas app, no? So, as obviously you can see, I am currently using a web browser, no? So, I strongly suggest or recommend, no, that you use the web browser kasi it's quite, ako personally, nahihirapan ako mag-navigate using the mobile application, no? So, ayun, no? So, let's just, for now, I will be using the web app, no? So, you will go, no? Ang ating website is canvas.instructure.com. Ayan. So, you can go to this website and let's just wait it to load. Ayan. So, this is the homepage of the Canvas app. So, you can see here email password. So, this is used to log in, no? Kapag magla-log in na kayo, ito yung gagamitin niyo. I do not recommend using this one, quick login using the Google account kasi there has been instances before na hindi na ma-retrieve yung password, no? So, instead, dito tayo hahanap, no? Need a Canvas account. Okay, so you can click here. It's free, no? So, ayan. Then, dito kayo, no? I am a student. So, tapos lalabas to. Okay, you will be needing the join code which I have provided, no? In your respective Google Classrooms. So, for this specific example, I will be using this join code 6BL JTJ, no? For example, no, I will be using this one. So, but for your case, no, you check your Google Classrooms for the code, no? Then lipat tayo dito, full name, of course, first name first. Yan. You do not need to include your middle name, no? Kahit first name and last, given name and surname lang. Then username, kayo bahala, no? But ako personally, I use this kind of username, no? Para mas madali tandaan. Then, of course, you can input your password. Then, repeat the same password. Then, email, no? You use your email na ginagamit sa Google Classroom para at least hindi na kayo malito kung anong email nga ba yung ginamit ninyo, no? Tawag dito, in registering sa Canvas, no? So, for example, I will use my previous institutional email at my alma mater. No? Ayan. So, of course, you need to click agree. Then, kung may CAPTCHA, no? So, you need to click it. And then, click start learning. Ayan. So, this will be the homepage, no, ng courses natin. So, it will direct you to the course that you have enrolled, no? So, kung titingnan natin dito sa sidebar, no? Ayan. So, DE Math 3, no, sa differential equations ako nag-enroll, no? So, ayan, makikita ninyo. Dito makikita sa courses, lahat ng enrolled courses ninyo on your Canvas account, no? Pero kung ako lang naman ang prof ninyo na gumagamit ng Canvas account, so, this is isa lang yung makikita ninyo. Pero you can actually use no, in case that there are other professors that also uses Canvas, you can use the same email address para hindi na kayo problema. Okay, so makikita niyo yan dito. Then of course we have the dashboard, no? Dito makikita ninyo yung mga deadlines and everything, no? So usually naman quizzes lang naman yung mga pinopost natin dito and major exams, no? So ayan, hindi natin mag-load. Ayan. So makikita niyo yan dito. Then sa calendar, dito niyo makikita yung mga schedules natin, no? So for example, pag may quiz nang lumabas, no, dito niyo yan makikita. Ayan. Then inbox, no? Actually, you can send me a message here, no? You just click this one, compose a new message. Ayan, tapos you select course, ayan. So, differential equations, tapos type nyo kung kay Nino. For example, sa akin, no? Or ayan, teachers, no? So, ayan, no? Ito yan. Email ko yung sarili ko. Okay, then the subject, no? Kayo bahala kung ano. It's like an email na rin, no? Pero it will only go to my Canvas. I am also checking my Canvas account kasi actually, I am using my Canvas both for my grad school and my review. So, lagi talaga ako nagche-check ng Canvas. Okay, so, mababasa ko rin siya actually agad. Okay, then punta tayo dito sa account kasi ito yung usually na hindi na na-check ng mga estudyante, no? So, you can see here the notifications, no? Then, yung mga paparating na deadlines dyan yun. Then, profile. You can click that one, no? Ayan. So, later ayusin natin, no? Pwede natin yun i-edit profile later. Pero navigate muna natin to. So, files, ito yung mga files na ina-upload ko. Pero usually wala naman ako ina-upload dito, no? Hindi ko pa kasi full modular yung inaayos yung module ng Canvas natin. No, but anyway, it does not matter naman. Yung quizzes ang mahalaga sa Canvas. Okay, then, ayun, settings, e-portfolio. Ito, QR for mobile login. In case na dito kayo nag-register, no? So, just click to proceed. Tapos, ayan, lalabas yung QR. Then, you install Canvas Student sa phone ninyo. You can scan this one para kung ano yung account na pumasok dito sa web, yun din yung papasok sa, ano ninyo, sa phone ninyo. Okay? Then, punta tayo dito sa settings, no? Ayan. So, settings, no? Ito yung makikita ninyo. Ayan. So, you can click edit settings. So, make sure guys, no, yung name niyo is maayos dito sa part na to, no. Ito to. Yung Roian Pigtain, dapat given name and last name yung nakalagay, pati dito. Tapos sortable name ganito, ha. Surname, surname, given name ang arrangement natin. Okay, zoom ko para mas malapit. Mas ano, ayan. Ayan, no. So, full name again, no? Yan. Then, display name, ganun din. Dapat same yung full name tsaka yung display name. Then, yung sortable name is last name first, then given name. Okay, pronouns, no? Kayo bahala kung paano nyo set. Ayan. Tapos, language, okay na yan, no? English lang naman ginagamit natin. Then, ito, no? Time zone. You need to change this one into Philippines or yung +8, no? Ayan, Philippines +8. So, kailangan yung i-change or else hindi ninyo makukuha, I mean, mag-iiba yung oras ng pag-take ninyo ng exam, no, as scheduled with the password. I mean with the password, with the Canvas, no. So click nyo lang update settings. Ayan. And so zoom out ko lang ulit, no. Ayan. So ayan, no, basically naka-setup na yung Canvas ninyo, no. So you can add the picture. I strongly suggest you add the picture, no. So dito. Ayan, no? So, for example, I want to add the picture. Ayan, click ko lang to. Tapos, eto pagka hinover nyo siya dito, ayan, pwede nyong i-edit. Upload the picture. Let's choose a picture. Say dito, ayan, kumari ito, no? So, ayan, you can customize this one, no? Tapos save nyo lang. Ayan, so lalabas na siya. So, ito naman yung biography, kahit wala na to, no, it does not matter naman. Pero if you want to customize your Canvas account, then you can feel free, no, to edit or change your biography. Then, save profile. Ayan, so okay na yon, no? So, yun, no, basically that's how we navigate or how we do the, how we go to the Canvas account. So, dito makikita ninyo, nilimit ko na yung mga pwede nyong pindutin para at least hindi na kayo malito saan ba mapupunta yung ganito, ganyan, no? Lagi lang tayo dito sa quizzes. No? Dito lang lalabas lahat ng mga quizzes ninyo, no? Short quizzes and major exams. Dito lang siya lahat lalabas. Okay, so, yeah, no, that's it. That's for now, no. So I hope after this one you start also setting up your Canvas accounts, no, so para we can proceed with the quiz number 1, no. So stay safe and God bless.